Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson called Conversions. In this lesson, we are going to focus on millimeters and centimeters, and then milliliters and liters, and the relationship between them. Now, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. If you're not sure, then you can just check out your ruler. And 1000 millimeters is equal to 100 centimeters. And 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. And then finally, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. The reason you need to know this is because you will be asked a question that looks like this. Sort from smallest to largest. Then you have these 5 measurements. One is 111 millimeter, 11 centimeter, 0.12 meter, 11.2 centimeter, and 0.113 meters. Now, how do we solve this question? Well, what we first need to do is to convert all of these measurements into one measurement. The easiest one in this case is millimeter. You take the first one, 111 millimeters, it will stay the same. But now you need to convert 11 centimeter into millimeters. Well, if you know that 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter, then you can calculate it by yourself. Then you can say 11 centimeter times 10 is equal to 110 millimeters. Now let's look back at our conversion sheet. That shows that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 0.12 times 1000 is equal to 120. And the fourth one is 11.2 centimeters. To convert this to millimeters, you need to multiply it by 10, which will give you 112 millimeters. And then finally, 0.113 meters, you need to also multiply it with 1000, just like you did for 0.21 meters. Now that you have all the lengths in one form of measurement, it's easier to sort from smallest to largest. In this case, it'll look like this. Now, be careful not to sort it in accordance to the amounts on the right. It should still be in its original form when you sort it from smallest to largest. Thanks for watching. For more, check out our website at www.beatacmath.com. See you next time.